welcome to middle school PE. I am Coach Vaquera. I am one of the 6th grade phys ed teachers. I also teach at the high school. I teach 8th grade there as well. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Do students have to wear a mask in PE? Yes, students will wear a mask and be 12 feet apart while attendance and instructions are given. Maintaining a safe distance is our top priority. Students have been told if they need a mask break, they must be at least 12 feet away from another student. We will be outside as much as possible. Do they have to change their clothes this year? No, they do not have to change for PE, but students do have to wear comfortable clothes that they can exercise in. They also have to have sneakers on PE days and make sure that they bring sneakers that can get dirty. Will we be playing inside or outside? We will be going outside as much as possible. When it rains, we will be able to go inside the gym. All students must be prepared to go outside when it is hot or cold. They should be aware of the weather on PE days and bring in sweatpants and a sweatshirt for days when it's a bit chilly out. Their sneakers may get wet, so an extra pair of socks or sneakers on PE days might be a great idea.
In 6th grade phys ed this year, we're going to do a variety of activities that are going to be really fun for your child. This year, we are not allowed to do any activities where students share touched equipment, so we're modifying a lot of the traditional things we've done with some new activities that we've created for them to be safe.
At FMS, we have 5 teaching stations. We have the yellow gym, the blue gym, the main gym, which is divided by a curtain, and we have the new gym, which the 5th grades are using this year for PE. When students come to PE, they will first sanitize their hands with the sanitizer provided outside of each teaching space. They will walk into the gym, go to their box. It's marked with T in the center, and they're 12 feet apart. Outside, we also have plenty of space. We have a soccer field, a football/lacrosse field, and upper fields which contain a softball field, a baseball field, field hockey, and soccer.
I have set up Google Classrooms for all of my 6th grades in the case that a student has to go remote or if we're all remote, so that I can continue to work with them throughout the year. Please make sure that your son or daughter is signed up for my Google Classroom. I will be sending invites to those who haven't joined yet, so just be aware that that email is out there for them.
As always, our priority is to keep your child safe. Our goal is to introduce them to a variety of lifetime sports and activities that keep them engaged and moving. We want them to enjoy activities so they become lifelong movers and live their best healthy life.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you gained some information about middle school PE. If you still have questions or concerns, please email me. I'm so excited to get started with your children and teach them so many wonderful things in PE and how to have fun moving. Thank you so much and have a great night.